What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple method on how to draw Ninetails from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson on the top right side of our page with the eye. So we start with a curve across the top of the eyelid. Let's start from the inside, bending this up and over. Let's go back to the inside and draw the bottom of the eye, curving in the opposite direction. Now on the right side, we're going to add a curve coming down and in for the edge of the iris. Now I want to line up with the inside edge of the eye, move over towards the left, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the front of the nose. Just going to curve the head, coming down and then in. And we're going to bend that down across the front of the neck to right about here. Let's go back up to the top, add a curve for the nose. Fill the nose in black. Now along the bottom, let's add the mouth. We're going to start with a curve that goes up and in. And I just want to bend this up towards the corner of the mouth. Now let's go back to the front of the head. I'm just going to curve this up and in above the eye. Just angle this back up towards the ear. Now from here, draw a slight curve going up towards the tip of the ear. Now the tip of the ear is going to bend all the way out. Just going to blend into the side of the neck, coming down across the body. So we'll go out and then bend this around. Let's go back up to the top and add that trim inside the ear. So from the tip, bend this across and down, bend this up and in. Now we want to layer that hair in between the two ears. So we're going to start from the top of the head, bend this around across the tip of the ear. We're going to add a point. Let's bend this back in. Now that we have the hair in place, we want to tuck the left ear in behind. So we're going to move over, bend this up and then out, and then just tuck this in towards the side. Let's go back and finish off the hair. We're going to start right here, step in. I want to create a little bit of an overlap with that curve coming around and then up towards the tip, and then bend that back in. Let's add another strand coming down, going all the way out towards the side of our page, and then bend that back inside. Let's add a couple more. I'm going to add a short one, going across and down, bend this up, and then one last one coming across the side of the neck. And we're just going to tuck this back in along the top. Now I want to go back and draw on the left side of the neck. So we're going to step up to create an overlap. Start by bending this down and out, round this out, and then bend that in. So I'm going to line up with the right side. And we're going to add some fur texture across the bottom. Let's start back on the left, going up. And I just want to add a series of points coming in towards the center of the body. Let's add another one coming down and in. Go up. Just going to bend this around in the opposite direction towards the middle. Now we're going to work our way up towards the right side, creating a few overlaps along the way. And close this off. Let's go to the left side of the body. We're just going to work our way across the hind leg. We're going to come down and out, and then bend that down towards the first tail. And we want to overlap that first tail across the body. So we're going to come down, up, and then down towards the tip. Now this area across the back is where the tails are going to originate from. So we just want to move over, draw the top of the second tail coming down, across, and then down towards the bottom. Now I want to take this tail, I want to taper it so it gets wider as we come back in behind. So going wider, come down, and then in. Let's draw the bottom of that second tail. We're going to step over, going out, across the bottom and in, and then down. Let's separate the end of the tail with a few points going across. Do the same thing across the front tail. Now I want to layer the body and the legs in behind the tail. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side across the top, go straight down in behind, continue down towards the bottom. Now we're going to move over towards the right. We're going to come down at an angle, come down, I'm just going to bend this out towards the bottom of the foot, round out the foot, and go up, and just bend that in. Let's draw the outside leg. We'll start back at the top, bend this down and in behind the tail, down, and then out. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves. Let's go up to the top. I'm going to separate the body coming in, and then along the bottom, add a curve in between. Now I want to draw the outside of the left leg, starting from the top, come down and in, and then bend that down. And then the top edge of the hind leg, it's going to bend this across and then down. Now from here, we're going to start layering the rest of the tails in behind. So let's start back at the front, step up, going up and out, come around, and then back in. Let's add another tail in behind, starting down here, going up, come around, and then in. So now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tails, let's draw on the 5th. We're going to start up here. Want to add a fold going up, rounding this out, come down, and then bend that in. Now along the inside, we're going to add a fold. Let's add 4 more tails. Starting from the top, and do the same thing. We're going to go up, come all the way around, come down and in towards the body. Let's go back up to the top, add another one. Going up, come all the way around, and then down in behind. Now I'm going to draw the edge of 2 more tails. Let's start from the top. We're going to go in behind the head. Come in. Now I'm going to draw 1 more. You see the top edge coming down across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ninetails from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.